The 511 Speed 3.0 Desert Boot features our mission-specific speed platform for desert environments and traction. This boot comes in a roughened-out cow suede with 1680D nylon uppers. Designed to be lightweight and breathable, the Speed 3.0 Desert Boot has an Ortholite insole and a Strobel sock, along with a padded tongue for cushioning and comfort. We've added a nylon shank for torsional rigidity and stability, along with an odor-controlling treatment on the lining to keep you cool and comfortable. The 14mm heel-to-toe drop will ensure a steady stance. The self-cleaning forefoot lugs, fence-climbing lugs, and arch lugs have been added for traction assistance for ladder or rope work. The Speed 3.0 Desert Boot is self-dumping to keep you clear of mud and sand. The YKK metal zippers allow for easy on-off capability. This is the 511 Speed 3.0 Desert Boot.